All right, today we're going to show you guys how to awaken a General Electric W25 box fan. These fans are notorious for being difficult to service, and unfortunately, because of that back decorative cap on the back of the motor, it's very difficult to get these things apart to lubricate the rear bearings. So if you have trouble with that and you've already tried oiling from the front like I did, the best way you can do this is like this. So we're going to show you how to wake one of these things up. I gave it a little spin to kind of free it up a little bit. And so we're going to go ahead and start this thing up. And we're going to switch it between medium and low in order to wake it up. Here we go. So you guys can see it's pretty much just about fully awake. Now I'll let these things warm up a little bit before they really hit full power. There, you guys can see it's warmed up pretty well. It's now fully awake. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on how to wake up your GE W25 box fan. Once we get this thing cleaned up and serviced, we probably won't have to worry about jump starting it for a while. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments below. Or if you want to know how I did this, just ask. Thanks for watching.